Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kevin Haney. I'm coming from Ozark Regional Vein Center, Renew Aesthetics, and The Edge at Pinnacle Point. We wanted to update you on our COVID protective procedures to protect our staff and our patients during this difficult time. I'm going to have Peyton walk us through our procedure. We have many advanced technologies that allow you to do most of your paperwork from your car or from your home prior to arriving. We'll have a quick pass through the clinic without stopping in the waiting room, straight to your treatment room and straight out the side door before you go back to your car. Peyton will take it over from here.
Hi, my name is Peyton. I'm an RN here at Ozark Regional Vein Center. Since we reopened our doors 2.5 months ago, we have started implementing several different precautions to keep our patients safe and healthy. Here at Ozark Regional Vein Center, we have started using something called TouchMD, which is an online patient registration system that allows patients to register or fill out their information online before they come here. So you are filling out everything in your home and not touching anything that anyone else is touching. This also keeps patients from coming in contact with each other here at the front desk. As soon as the patient arrives in the parking lot, they are instructed to call or text one of the numbers that are listed several places outside. And once they call or text those numbers, one of our receptionists will notify a medical assistant, and that medical assistant will come get the patient. Once the patient enters, they are screened. They're asked around 6 questions, all related to COVID, and their temperature is taken. If those questions are all answered no, they are then allowed to come into the building. We do ask that each patient wears a mask for our safety and theirs. Once they come into the building, they can either pay here or they can pay online. We do recommend that each patient pays online if they can. Since we reopened, our waiting area is closed and remains closed through the course of this pandemic. As you can see, we've got plexiglass here that keeps the reception area separated from the entryway. We also recommend that patients go out a separate door than the one that they came in to reduce traffic through the front door. In addition to taking patient registrations online, we are also accepting payments online. When you arrive at our clinic, a text will be sent to you with a link that you can click to pay. If you are unable to pay through that link, we of course will accept any other payment method. We do recommend that all patients register and pay online, as it does reduce the contact that you will have between people and our staff here at Ozark Regional Vein Center. Once you've been brought to your room, you will be with the same staff members throughout your appointment. We have limited the amount of staff to 2 to 3 staff members per appointment. Every employee comes in every morning and is screened just as the patients are. We are required to wear masks, and we are required to have our temperatures taken every day. Each employee sanitizes their hands before and after each appointment and each patient. Of course, we are still wearing gloves for each procedure. After every patient's appointment, our staff is diligent to wipe down every surface, every handle, every chair, every bed, and anything else that a patient or employee might have touched during that time. We've always done these things, but we are being extra careful now that COVID is around. We at Ozark Regional Vein Center do take COVID-19 very seriously, but we also take vein disease very seriously. Vein disease is a progressive disease. It is not something that will get better without treatment. A lot of patients don't know that their varicosities and their spider veins are related to vein disease and can turn into something much worse. We see a lot of patients here in our office that have pigmentation around their ankles and eventually get ulcers that they never expected they would have due to their varicose veins. Due to COVID-19, we are seeing patients delay treatment because they are trying to stay home in quarantine. This can cause ulcers and darkening of the skin that cannot be reversed. Right now is a perfect time to come see us. Most deductibles are met at this time, and that's why we call it the vein season. Not only is it a great time to come because deductibles are met, but because a lot of people are working at home, and that means you don't have to take off work. Here at Ozark Regional Vein Center, we treat varicose veins, spider veins, and venous insufficiency in general. venous insufficiency causes the varicosities and the spider veins. A lot of people don't think that their symptoms are related to such things and usually chalk it up to, I'm just getting older. Your symptoms could include swelling, restlessness, tiredness, fatigue, aching, and leg cramps. Please come see us for a free screening or for an evaluation so that we can determine if you have vein disease or not. For patients without insurance, we do offer care credit and compassionate finance. Please contact our front office to inquire about these two options. If you have spider veins, sometimes your spider veins can be caused by venous reflux disease. If you're unsure and you don't have the typical symptoms, you can always come in and get your free screening. If your free screening turns out to be negative and you don't have vein disease, you're always welcome to visit our Renew Aesthetics next door. Renew Aesthetics, The Edge, which is our men's clinic, and Ozark Regional Vein Center are all taking the same precautions to fight COVID-19. Here at Ozark Regional Vein Center, we are doing everything in our power to keep you safe, and we ask that you don't delay your treatments.
We want to invite you to come see us at Ozark Regional Vein Center, Renew Aesthetics, and The Edge at Pinnacle Point. As you can see, we're doing everything we can to minimize your risk. It should be a safe, pleasant experience, and we'll get you in and out quickly.